automatically. Oh, fantastic.
Park goers at Kennedy Park now have free access to sunscreen.
This is a portable sunscreen dispenser, and we provided it to the city to provide free sunscreen to all the park goers or any tourists.
The dispenser, donated to the city by the National Skin Application Foundation, is refillable with up to 1,000 squirts of sunscreen per bag.
Honestly, I think it's a great idea. A lot of the time we forget how important it is to use sunscreen.
They'll just remember when they see this bright yellow sunscreen dispenser, oh, I gotta reapply some sunscreen, I gotta put some on.
The dispenser, also known as S.A.M, the Sunscreen Application Machine, recommends that you apply sunscreen every 2 hours when outdoors. According to the CDC, skin cancer is largely preventable by limiting exposure to the primary source of UV radiation, sunlight.
We're really thrilled to just be able to get out the word to try to make sunscreen more accessible and easier to use.
Sometimes also I forget to put this, and that's a good idea.